guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing what I think is the Boxycharm Premium. So this is just a monthly subscription. They have the regular Boxycharm, which you get 5 full-size products, and it is $25 a month. And then you have the Boxy Premium, and it is $37, and you get between 6 to 8 products. I think normally we get around 6 is what I've noticed. But I think the size of the box, I am thinking it is the premium box. I think the other one is much smaller. And here is the inside of the box. So it is the premium. Oh, I dropped a lot of stuff. Okay. So, I don't think we got a card again this month. This eye is like watering something bad today. I actually think it's my foundation. I love this foundation. I think it's got really good coverage. It looks good on the skin and stuff, but it's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear, but it's got like a fragrance to it, and it just seems to irritate, especially this eye right here. So, I think I'm going to quit using it because I don't really notice that with anything else, but I smell the fragrance. It's really strong, and then this eye just gets like really irritated. Okay. So, we did get 6 products this month, but no card. We didn't get a card last month. Okay, so our first thing is by Kevin Akon, which is a really great makeup artist. He's got his own makeup line. I've not really tried a lot from him. So, this is the Expert Mascara. We're getting 11.5 milliliters, which is 0.39 flow ounces. And it's just in this gold tubing. I do like the wand. I like how it's shaped. So, I like that. And I guess it is the color black. Yes. So, I am excited about trying this. I've got, like, mascaras, like, when I come in, I've been, like, putting them right back in their boxes. Like, last month, I've got the triple shot by Tarte London, and I'm just waiting. I'm trying not to open no more mascaras because they go bad fast, and it's, like, the quickest thing. Like, in a couple months, they're ready to be thrown away. Okay, so, next thing is by Battington, and it is a brush set. We're getting a powder brush, and we are getting a contour brush. And these are cruelty-free. Now, only thing I've ever tried by Battington is lashes. So, it'll be nice to try something else. I do like how the brushes look. Here they are. They do look luxury and stuff like that. I really like the feel of them. So, I do like these. So, here's the powder. I guess this is a contour, but I would use this for a contour, too. And I would use this maybe to set it under my eyes, to buff in my nose or something. Or I would use this for a blush brush. Probably not a powder brush. Unless it was just for, like, under the eyes. So, I do like these. Okay, so our next thing is by Pure Heels. And this is, we're getting 30 milliliters, which is 1.01 flow ounces. I can already, like, smell it. It's Centella 90 and Ampla. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. So, this is a smoothing. It relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. So let's... So it's like a serum, not like an oil. I do like how it feels. It does have a stronger odor. I smelled it as soon as I opened the box. But the smell is going away pretty fast. And it's absorbing into my skin pretty fast. It's not really sticky. It's got a little tackiness on my fingers, but not a lot. Which when I'm wearing makeup, I don't care for my skincare to be tacky. The only way I don't like for my skincare to be tacky is if it's a no makeup day and I'm just going to be out doing things, especially outside. Normally I want it tacky for makeup, but on the outside, I don't know, because it seems like everything sticks to my face then. Like cat hair, I got cats, their hairs will stick all over my face, or dirt. If you're outside, the dirt will, I don't know, just seems like it pulls everything to your face. Okay, so our next thing is by Tarte. This is the Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Okay, we are getting 6.3 grams, which is 0.2 flow ounces. This is so cute. I do have lipstick on, but it smells really good. Like something buttery, sweet. So, I will probably enjoy this. I love stuff like this. Okay. So, our next thing is by Milk. And this is the color is Astro. And it is a Glow Oil Lip Plus Cheek. I think they sent a little thing of instructions. Maybe this is what's in it and stuff, but I don't think we need that. It's really cute. It's tiny. Okay, so here is the color. Let's just... I don't know. I'm not... Look, I'm crazy. Let's pop it up. And take this off. Maybe we might get some color. Okay. So I do like that. I know that'd probably be... I kind of like the color, especially for my lips. It does have a shimmer to it, so I don't know if I'd like that for my cheeks or not. It just depends on what kind of makeup day I was having. Probably not like today's day, but if I was looking for a really good glowy look, I think I would like that. Okay, so our last item is by Too Faced. It is the Chocolate Soleil, and this is their bronzer. Just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long wearing golden glow with this cocoa powder infused bronzer. Create it with real shimmering gold that smells like chocolate dream. Okay, and so this is 8 grams, which is 0.28 flow ounces. It's such a cute packaging. I do like that. You can actually see yourself through it. It does have a mirror. Then here it is. It smells like, of course it smells like chocolate, but not like the chocolate. So I think that color will work for me. I'll be a little dark, but I think I can make it work. So, especially since my skin's already where I've been outside a lot. I think this will work for the summer. Probably not in the wintertime. Wintertime, I'm really pale. Like right now, I'm like trying to switch my foundations over. That's why I picked the L'Oreal today. And because it's a darker foundation and where I'm already starting to tan and get some, where I'm getting sun. But that is everything we got. We didn't get the card, of course. I already said that. Okay, so we got 6 things. I do like to try the, I am glad to get to try the mascara. And I absolutely love the brushes. I mean, these right here are like my 2 favorite things out of the whole box. And I do like these too. And I've been wanting to, I love trying new skincare, so I'm really going to like this. I got a wish for like $37. I'd rather get a palette in it because, you know, you're getting like $25 for the base box and you're getting 5 products. So we're giving like $37 and we're getting 6 products. I do believe they should at least put 7. Like they said, it would be between 7 and 8. They've never done that. I do wish they kind of would like put 7 or 8 in it because we're always getting 6. And I think with it being like 37, which is $12 more, I do think that maybe they should put at least 7, maybe the 8th product in there. And for this price, I do think we should get a palette or something. I don't need no more palettes, but I just either would like to get a palette or, you know, like my money worth. But I mean, I do like what I got. I am really happy with everything. I will use everything. So it's like nothing in this box will go to waste. I will use it. It'll be a while before I use the Kevin Con one. But I guess that is it. If you would like to try Boxycharm for yourself, I will leave the link down below. And if you use my link, you will get a free gift. Everybody that refers a friend, I mean, it's nothing special, but everybody that refers a friend does get each person gets a free gift. And I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will be, and ring the bell so you would be notified when I do upload, which is every Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. And I guess I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.